The tractor dumping them into the laundry room? Uh-oh, you missed.
Uh-oh.
Good job.
Oh, good job.
What's that? What's that?
Nice.
No, don't touch the camera. What is that, Cameron?
Metal.
What is it? Is it a tractor?
Yeah.
What color is it?
Yellow.
Good job. Where'd you go? He's hiding behind the chair. I don't know if you can see the top of his head.
Ah.
Say surprise.
Goodbye. Daddy.
No, don't open that. No. Don't open that. Go get another toy. Where's your flashcards?
Flashcards.
Where's your flashcards at?
Flashcards.
I don't know where they are.
Where's the dog?
Where'd they go?
Where's the dog? No, for the dog.
Where's your fire truck?
Fire truck.
Go find your fire truck. Good job. It's actually a police truck, but we'll give it to you.
Pizza.
Is it a police car? Push the button. Where's your train? Where's your choo-choo? Go find it. Where's your choo-choo? It makes less noise because the batteries are dead. Where's your choo-choo?
Choo-choo.
Go find it. And let Dad put this down. Go find your choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
Here's a hint. It's right over there. Where's your choo-choo? Go find it. No, that's your Mustang. What are you doing?
What does it mean?
Did you just pick a booger?
Yeah.
Cameron, can you say Mustang?
Mustang. Mustang.
You talking to Grandpa?
Hi. Let's talk on the phone.
Cameron, say hi, Minka.
Hi, Minka. 9, 10.
Uh-oh, you're going to climb right up into the camera again.
Rita!
Oh, jeez.
Hi!
Uh-oh. And we're done. What you doing?